Suitcase laser cleaning machine, pull up and go, pretty cool. Open the suitcase and read the manual first. Laser cleaning head. Touch screen. Protective glasses. Power cable. Connect it to the power and press the emergency stop switch in an emergency. Do not cover the exhaust vent. Easy to operate, click to change parameters. Multiple languages are available. Stay safe, press the red button to immediately start the laser. Wear protective glasses. The laser outlet must not be pointed at people. Aim the laser cleaning head at the surface to be cleaned. Adjust the distance of the laser cleaning head until the laser is the strongest. Can quickly remove oil and rust. The 50 watts laser is also suitable for the removal of thin paint layers. It is recommended to use the machine outdoors in an open area to avoid slight odors. Thank you for using Rise Laser Laser Cleaner.